Hello kids. Let's learn action words with sentences. I am fishing. I am fishing. I am sewing. I am sewing. I am teaching. I am teaching. I am knitting. I am knitting. I am fixing. I am fixing. I am skiing. I am skiing. I am crying. I am crying. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am ironing. I am ironing. I am shopping. I am shopping. I am playing. I am playing. I am cycling. I am cycling. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am painting. I am painting. I am listening. I am listening. I am talking. I am talking. I am driving. I am driving. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am climbing. I am climbing. I am reading. I am reading. I am writing. I am writing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am singing. I am singing. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am running. I am running. I am going. I am going. I am eating. I am eating. I am watching. I am watching. I am washing. I am washing. I am throwing. I am throwing. I am kicking. I am kicking. I am folding. I am folding. I am surfing. I am surfing. I am planting. I am planting. I am brushing. I am brushing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.